Yes, good morning first class children. Are you all ready for the class? I hope everyone is ready with your science class book notebook and textbook, isn't it? Okay, now listen here. Today I am going to give you the hard words. Before when I am going to start this class, I want to ask you whether this lesson is very clear for you all. Yes, what is the name of this lesson? Know your body, isn't it? We had learned all the different types of body parts names, and each our like human body parts has what different. Every human bodies are not in the same size or their height is same, or every human body has their own different parts, isn't it? Now for example, now listen here, they have different height, weight and skin, hair color and eye colors are different. So every human body parts are what same, but their colors are different. Skin color is different, eye color, hair color are different. All the colors are not same. Okay, now so our body has what many parts. Okay, our human body has all different parts. No, we have all human body has a parts are same. Even every human has a eyes, nose, head, mouth, isn't it? But what is different here? Yes, size, height, color and weight. Okay, so these you can see the different things. Next, we all have the same number of body parts, isn't it? Yes, exactly. What we are not, see, if you compare to like any human body or man or women, the same number of body parts you can able to see. Okay, I hope you are clear with this point. Okay, now I am going to start the hard words. Are you all ready for this class? So write very neatly. I am going to start the hard words. With the spellings you have to write down. Okay, write the lesson name and write the heading hard words. What is this? Hard words. Okay, first one, spell the word and write. Shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Spell the word of shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Second one, stomach. Spell the word of stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Third one, abdomen. A-B-D-O-M-E-N, abdomen. Write very neatly, children. Okay, start from the margin line. Next one, thigh. T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Next one, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Toe. T-O-E-S, toes. Okay, the next one, eighth one, I'll draw a line. You too draw a midline. Heel. H-E-E-L, heel. H-E-E-L, heel. Sole. S-O-L-E, sole. 10th one, spell the word of cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Waist. W-A-I-S-T. Okay. 12th one, spell the word of chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. 14th one, palm. P-A-L-M, palm. 15th one, spell the word of cuff. C-A-L-F. Okay, so I had given this many words. Once again children, write down Spell the word of shoulder. This is the shoulder, isn't it? SHOULDER, shoulder. Stomach, STOMACH, stomach. Abdomen, ABDOMEN, abdomen. Thigh, THIGH, thigh. Mouth, MOUTH, mouth. Foot, FOOT, foot. Toes, TOES, toes. Heel, okay, HEEL, heel. Sole, SOLE, sole. Cheek, CHEEK, cheek. Waist, WAIST, waist. Chest, CHEST, chest. Ankle, ANKLE, ankle. Palm, PALM, palm. CALF, calf. Okay, now listen children. See, you take this leg part. I will show you. Don't draw. Try to understand. Once again I will show you. Only leg part I will show you, because some might be have some confusion. Okay, now listen here. Now listen children. This is the leg part. Okay, now this bending part is called a calf. Okay, once again I will draw. Listen children. Why I am drawing, why won't I have to explain, I will tell you the reason. Because okay, now listen children, this is the thing. Here, where is the toe? I will tell you that some different names are in the different here you can see the different names. Okay, see, listen here. Now this is the part. Okay, now this part is foot, this part is toes, TOES, toes. This part is sole, bottom. Okay, this is the sole, and this is the, what is this here? This section is called calf, CALF, calf. Okay, the next one is heel, HEEL, heel. This part is heel, HEEL, heel. Can you able to follow me now? See, look at this. I was showing you. The next one, another one we have, I'll tell you. Foot is over, sole, and here you will get the knee. This is the knee part. This bending part is called knee. Okay. KNEE, knee. Can you able to follow me now? Okay. Ankle is here. This section is called ankle. ANKLE, ankle. Okay children, now is it clear now? See, I had shown the name of this sections in our body part. This is the leg part. In leg part, what are sections you can see here? I had mentioned here. This is the bottomless heel, and this completely bottom, this in this side. Aniki bottom ante ఇటు వైపు వస్తుంది మనకి కాలు పాదాల కింద. ఓకేనా? ఇది పాదాల కింద ఉన్నకి ఏమంటాని? Sole, SOLE, sole. This is foot. This part is toes. Okay. Here this bending part is called ankle. Here one more part. What is this? Calf. Here knee. What is this? Knee. Can you able to follow this? Okay. So try to understand. Okay children. So how many hard words I had given to you? 15 hard words. So make the practice in your science class notebook. In rough note, you do the practice at least 2 or 3 times. But in the class book, you should have to write only 1 time children. Is it clear? So once again I will explain you. What is this first one? Shoulder. stomach, abdomen, thigh, mouth, foot, toes, heel, sole, cheek, waist, chest, ankle, palm, calf. Tomorrow I will give you some more hard words or in the missing letters way. Okay. So write down very neatly and do the practice at home. Homework only learn. Homework is do the learning practice. Writing, if you want to do writing practice, you can do it in the rough book, children. Okay. Thank you, children. Tomorrow be ready with your science classwork notebook, and I am going to start the remaining rest of the hard words along with the missing letters. Okay. Thank you, children.